concentrate on yourself and who you are. You know what I mean? And look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, where you going? Where you want to go? Where do you want to end up?
Personally, AIM to me is a time where I can just chill. But also, AIM is about being successful and what you can do to become successful.
It's up to me.
My name's Aiden and I'm a real Leeds fan. Favourite team, Cowboys, J-Team, man. I'm like Matt Bowen, I just keep going, yeah, I keep flowing.
Hey, I'm Ian Thorpe, and to all you kids out there, make the most of your chance with AIM this year.
Hi, Scotty Prince from the Indigenous All-Stars. You see the AIM program 2011, grab it with both hands. We want to see more of you step up to the mark.
I'm actually really proud for being Aboriginal because, you know, like I love my culture, I love my people. We've been here for a very long time and we're going to be here for another 50,000 years.
I'm Indigenous and proud of it.
I'm young, black, and dead.